Doctor, why do hiccups even happen? They just started out of nowhere.
Well, hiccups happen when your diaphragm, that big muscle under your lungs, suddenly contracts.
So that quick jump in my chest? That's the diaphragm?
Exactly. When it contracts suddenly, you take a sharp inhale, then your vocal cords snap shut, and that creates the famous hic sound.
But what causes it? I didn't do anything wrong.
Oh, many things can trigger it. Eating too fast, drinking soda, sudden excitement, or even temperature changes. But don't worry, hiccups are usually harmless and temporary.
So my hiccups are just my diaphragm acting dramatic?
Pretty much. Just relax, they'll pass soon.